Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful DeLonghi espresso machine. Now for this machine we did a little bit of work. We had to basically disassemble the entire machine in order for us to replace the water pump. This water pump that you see right here. This water pump is located on this part of the machine, and in order for you to reach it you need to disassemble, remove all the screws from the bottom tray. This one that you have right here, remove all of them. Once you remove all of them, you have to remove two over here and then slide this thing on that direction. Once you get to that, once you do that, you have to remove a couple more inside the machine in order for you to completely pull up the entire machine and be able to replace the water pump. So now that with a new water pump inside the machine, as you can see, it has a nice steady flow coming out of the group head. Working perfectly fine. And as well, we have gray flow coming out from the hot water and steamer one. Nice and steady flow coming out of the machine, working perfectly. We're gonna do steam just to test the machine. We're also including a new basket as the customer requested. And now we're just gonna wait for the machine to finish getting up to pressure. Now there's a pressure. You can see nice steady steam coming out of the machine. Excellent temperature, working perfectly. So there you have it, the DeLonghi working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for repairing Kanen Coffee. Subscribe to our channel, like the video, and hit the bell.